All right, day 2, here we are, Lake George, at a place called Cafe Vera. We're gonna have breakfast soon, we hope. And the boys are all sitting around. Back when we used to talk about motorcycles, now we talk about how our health is. So Marie took some pictures today on our ride. We went out to Fort Anne to McDermott, stopped in there, did a little shopping, and then we headed north, just a little loop, and rode back through into Lake George. Short ride for the day. Then we went and visited the Tour Expo. All right, day 3, new breakfast place. We're gonna check it out, hopefully. It's not too long of a wait. Looks like there's a lot of people here. I hope they're not all waiting to eat.
Thank you, Carmen.
What's the story?
Gonna wait about 20 minutes.
20 minutes? All right. All right. We're about to take off. We're gonna head up to Warrensburg, and we're gonna see if they have the vendor show up there this year, and after that we're going to take a ride up in the mountains up there, probably Route 9 to 8 and a crossover. So we're getting ready to leave. Through the town of Lake George. So we're in Warrensburg, and we're going to head to the fairgrounds up here where they're having the bike rally with the vendors, and we'll check that out and see what they have for sale. It's usually just a walk through, but it's always something to do. Fairground. Looks like fewer vendors than normal, but nonetheless, we're gonna pull in, park, check it out. Alright, so we left the fairgrounds, not much going on there. So we're going to take our ride, and we're going to head out right now, heading northeast, and take in some of the scenic views and enjoy the day. Hopefully some of this cloud cover will move out and give us some warmth with the sun. All right. I guess this is Brant, is the name of the town here. Nice little area, little pond or lake, river, and we're going to be running along the water here, I believe. Heading our way to Hague, one of our yearly stops. See the group of ladies selling food and water, fundraising. Nice little scenic area. There goes Mark on Mal's bike. And Fred. There goes Rick. And finally, Dennis. What a crew. And here we are in Hague. Yes, there's many ways of coming to this place. hit the town of Ticonderoga here, and we're gonna pull over and get some gas soon, and probably head west, and then south back to Lake George. So yeah, that's up here. Yeah, we had to stop for a pee break on the side of the highway. One of our leaky guys. Yeah, right.
He's like, GoPro, start recording. I'm like, you're the guy.
All right, we're gonna get going again here. Heading back to Lake George here, running through Warrensburg. This is going to be hitting the town city limits, so to speak, soon up here up the road. Hey, we're going to stop at a grocery store, pick up some condiments for the night's dinner, and we're going to be checking out Alonzo Bowden at the comedy show tonight. So we'll probably have an early dinner and get ready and have a good night. So that's the ride for today, running through these beautiful mountains in the Adirondacks. And we'll talk to you later.